Hi everyone, how are you doing? As many of you know, I recently moved to a new apartment and it's been crazy reorganizing and making over our home. I'd like to share with you the process of styling and organizing my home, and I hope you enjoy this apartment series video. Please watch episode 1 and 2 first if you haven't watched it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today's video is shopping for indoor plant and home accessories. First stop is EQ3. EQ3 is a Canadian furniture store. It has very nice modern furniture as well as accessories. Accessories and ceramics are not too expensive, and that's a plus for me. I saw this coaster online and I came here to only buy this one. But it's been so long since last time I shopped at the furniture store, and I'm very excited to see all the goods. Just put all the things I wanted in the basket. Well, I don't know if I should buy them all. Let's see. Next, plant shopping. I've been looking for indoor plants so long and visited several nurseries, but I haven't found one yet. Coffee. I stopped by at the GRUBB coffee. It's good. It's good, but tastes different from the blue bottle one. I usually go to blue bottle to get a coffee because there's one in my neighborhood, but I tried GRUBB coffee, and yeah, it's a bit tastes different. It's a bit sour than the blue bottle one, I would say. But basically, the coffee in the San Francisco Bay Area is pretty sour. So I think this is a signature coffee in San Francisco. In a different day, I came to another nursery to find indoor plant. This place is very open space and it has lots of active plants. However, this neighborhood is a bit sketchy, so be extra careful when you visit here. As for lunch, we pick up a chicken sandwich at the bar and eat at the park as always. Also, it's a bit early to drink a glass of wine, but there is a nice outdoor bar, so might as well stop by. Moving on, I finally found the one at FLOWERCRAFT. I picked Bird of Paradise and Feather Leaf. Lastly, I stopped by at West Elm to buy some glasses. There is 30% off sale going on the weekend. Do you want it? expensive. Alright, let's unpack everything. I only have a basket at home and I want to put the plant in, but it was too small, so I'm trying another bigger basket. Next, I'm gonna wash the item that I bought at Ep3. I wanted to buy this teapot for such a long time, and I'm so happy that I could finally get it. By the way, this donut is homemade. I will leave a recipe down below. And this is the finished look. I am very excited to finally have indoor plants, and my living room looks more cozy. And I visited several furniture stores and nurseries in San Francisco, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. On the next video, I will finally do a house tour, so please stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't, and I will see you soon. Bye!